Boat stuck. What's up?
What's up?
How's it going up here?
It's going great.
Nice.
Putting some bags in.
Gonna be epic. 2 18s, 2 Pumas, gear boat, whole bunch of IKs.
It's a pretty cool guide.
Super shrig time. Epic guides. See you on the water. Woo! Woo! Getting ready for lower bunghole. Gonna go for a little surf, maybe a little flip action. High side, high side. All forward. Stop, stop. All forward, all forward. Come to me, come to me. I've got you. There's Snow Hole Rapid. Gonna be a fun line. I think I'm going all the way left in between those rocks. How do you think about that, Riley?
I think you have the perfect paddle map crew for that. I'm full confidence.
Or I might splat the snow hole. We'll see. See what goes down. Woo! Yeah.
Looks like a good China run today.
Super clean, super clean. Slide down this left side, get down there, maybe hit the hole, maybe not. See what happens, catch you on the flip. Stop! All forward! Focus on what's ahead, focus on what's ahead! Stop! All forward! Nice job, y'all! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh! Oh yeah! Slight battle damage, but I'm gonna go test out the left line in China Creek. Never done it in a raft before. See how it goes. Alright, keep battling, keep battling. Wrapping up their last day on the salmon. Camped on the snake tonight.
Woo!
Epic first salmon trip of the season.
Yoo!
Got it done.
Salmon River Falls Camp.